Hello, it's me, the weatherman, reporting live from the heart of Kent. I just want to say, don't know if you've seen the new hairstyle I've given myself, but I will just highlight it there. Split up with Karen recently, and well, look at me now, bitch. So I'm here to report to you about the strange noises in Kent at night. You can clearly hear it now. I've sent numerous emails. I've called the office many times. I've sent messages upon messages about these noises that people in the Kent area that have been talking about for the last 5 years or more. Unexplained noises, air raid sirens in the night in Kent. Well, tonight things are going to change. I am here at the constituency office of Helen Grant MP, Maidstone and the world, to ask for questions. Multiple emails, multiple phone calls, multiple time of my life, even in my personal life, outside of work, calling this office for answers. So now, I'm going to show you something. Come on, Helen. I know you're in there. You've been ignoring me the whole time. Come on. Other news. COVID restrictions may be lifted 50% of what they were in 13 days. Other news. Well, what's really real anymore? I was in a relationship for 5 years, it all fell apart. Who knows? You've been watching me, the weatherman, live from Kent. Fucking fed up with this bollocks.